Growing your own strawberries is a magical journey. From planting tiny seedlings to harvesting sun-warmed berries, it's an experience that connects you to nature. Imagine the taste of a fresh, sweet strawberry picked right from your garden. It's a burst of flavor you can't get from store-bought fruit. The joy of nurturing a plant to life and the satisfaction of a bountiful harvest is unmatched. So let's unlock the secrets to growing delicious strawberries at home and enjoy this delightful adventure together. Before you grab your gardening gloves, let's talk about the different types of strawberries. Choosing the right variety is key to a bountiful harvest. There are two main types to consider: June-bearing and Everbearing. June-bearing strawberries are the most common type. They produce one large crop of berries over a few weeks in June. These varieties are perfect for those who love to preserve their harvest. Think delicious jams, preserves, and desserts. On the other hand, Everbearing strawberries offer a continuous supply of berries throughout the spring, summer, and even into fall. They produce smaller harvests than June-bearing varieties, but their extended fruiting season makes them perfect for fresh eating. Strawberries, like all plants, need the right foundation to thrive. Without the proper soil, even the best care and attention won't yield the sweetest, juiciest berries. And that foundation is healthy soil. Healthy soil is teeming with life, from beneficial microbes to earthworms, all working together to create a rich environment for your plants. The ideal soil for strawberries is well-draining, slightly acidic, and rich in organic matter. This combination ensures that the plants get the nutrients they need while preventing water from pooling around the roots. Good drainage is crucial because strawberries don't like to sit in soggy soil. Excess water can suffocate the roots, leading to poor plant health and reduced fruit production. Overly wet conditions can lead to root rot and other problems. Root rot is a common issue in poorly drained soils and can be devastating to your strawberry plants. To ensure proper drainage, amend your soil with compost or other organic matter. Organic matter improves soil structure, making it easier for water to move through the soil and reach the roots. Compost improves soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. It also adds beneficial microorganisms that help break down organic material, releasing nutrients that plants can absorb. Strawberries prefer a slightly acidic soil pH, between 5.5 and 6.5. This pH range allows the plants to absorb essential nutrients more effectively. You can test your soil pH using a simple soil test kit available at most garden centers. Regular testing helps you maintain the optimal pH for your strawberries. If your soil is too alkaline, you can add elemental sulfur to lower the pH. Sulfur reacts with the soil to create a more acidic environment, perfect for strawberries. On the other hand, if it's too acidic, adding lime can help raise it. Lime neutralizes the acidity, bringing the pH to a more suitable level for your plants. Now that you've chosen your strawberry variety, it's time to get them off to a strong start. Selecting the right variety is crucial, as it can determine the success of your harvest. Whether you prefer June-bearing, Everbearing, or day-neutral strawberries, each type has its own unique benefits and growing requirements. Once you've made your choice and prepared your soil, it's time to plant. Preparing the soil is a vital step. Ensure it's well-drained and rich in organic matter. Adding compost or aged manure can significantly improve soil fertility and structure. The best time to plant strawberries is in the early spring or late summer, depending on your climate. Early spring planting allows the plants to establish before the heat of summer, while late summer planting can give them a head start for the next growing season. When planting bare root strawberries, it's essential to soak the roots in water for an hour or two before planting. This step is crucial as it helps to rehydrate the roots, making them more pliable and ready to establish in their new environment. This helps rehydrate the roots and reduce transplant shock. Transplant shock can severely affect the growth and productivity of your plants, so taking this extra step can make a big difference. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root system and gently spread out the roots. This ensures that the roots have enough space to grow and access nutrients from the soil. Plant the crown of the strawberry plant at soil level, ensuring the roots are completely covered with soil. The crown should be just above the soil surface to prevent rot and promote healthy growth. Space your plants about 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for adequate air circulation and growth. Proper spacing helps prevent diseases and ensures that each plant has enough room to thrive. If you're short on space, don't worry. Strawberries are versatile and can be grown in various settings. Strawberries also thrive in containers. This is a great option for those with limited garden space or for urban gardeners. Choose a wide, shallow container with drainage holes and use a high-quality potting mix. This will provide the necessary nutrients and drainage for your strawberry plants to flourish. Water is essential for healthy strawberry plants, especially during the first few weeks after planting. Water deeply and regularly, aiming for about an inch of water per week. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can suffocate the roots and lead to various problems. To determine if your strawberries need watering, stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. As the weather warms up, you may need to water more frequently. It's best to water your strawberries in the morning, allowing the foliage to dry out during the day. This helps prevent fungal diseases. Mulching is like tucking your strawberry plants into bed with a cozy blanket. It offers numerous benefits, including conserving soil moisture, suppressing weeds, and keeping the berries clean. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your strawberry plants, being careful not to bury the crowns. There are various mulching materials to choose from, such as straw, wood chips, or shredded bark. Straw is an excellent choice because it's lightweight, breathable, and readily available. Mulch not only helps regulate soil temperature, but also prevents the berries from coming into direct contact with the soil, reducing the risk of rot and disease. Strawberry plants are masters of reproduction, sending out runners, also known as stolons, that develop into new plants. While runners are great for expanding your strawberry patch, they can also sap energy from the mother plant, reducing fruit production. If you want to maximize fruit production, it's best to remove the runners as they appear. Simply snip them off at the base of the plant using sharp, clean pruning shears. However, if you want to propagate new plants, allow a few runners to root and establish themselves. Once the new plants are large enough, you can detach them from the mother plant and transplant them to a new location. After weeks of anticipation, it's finally time to harvest your delicious strawberries. Most strawberry varieties ripen their fruit about 4 weeks after flowering. The perfect strawberry is fully red, plump, and slightly soft to the touch. Avoid harvesting berries that are white or green at the tip, as they haven't reached peak flavor. Gently grasp the berry between your thumb and forefinger and pinch the stem just above the berry. Avoid pulling or tugging on the berry, as this can damage the plant. Once harvested, strawberries are best enjoyed fresh. However, you can also store them in the refrigerator for a few days or freeze them for later use. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-warmed homegrown strawberry. It's a taste of summer, a reminder of your gardening efforts, and a true delight for the senses. Enjoy your fresh strawberries straight from the garden, dipped in chocolate, or incorporated into your favorite desserts. Growing your own strawberries is a rewarding experience that connects you to nature, promotes healthy eating, and provides endless culinary possibilities. So, grab your gardening tools, embrace the journey, and savor the sweet rewards of homegrown strawberries. Happy gardening!